Welcome to Dog Designs by Cederberg Kitchens. Today our dog Mooch is going to pick out some finishes for a new kitchen project. Meet Mooch. She is our resident office dog and employee of the month 2 years running. She is a deaf sheepdog mix that we rescued 9 years ago. Even though Mooch comes to work every day, most of her days look a lot like napping, so we decided to put her to work. Here's the project Mooch will be working on today. A kitchen remodel for a family looking for a design refresh. Let's check out our cabinetry options, from left to right. First, we have a painted cabinet from Birch Cabinetry. Next, a dark wood slab style from Custom Wood Products. And on the right, a shaker-style light natural wood from CNC Cabinetry. For tile, we have a flat hexagon shape from Kite Series, a black hexagon from Cavallo Tile, and then a slab option from Silestone in Awake. And finally, for countertops, we have 3 Silestone options. From left to right, we have an Eternal Marquina, Eternal Noir, and Stellar Night.
You have to choose a countertop, actually.
Here's what Mood selected for our customer. Painted fluted cabinets from Birch Cabinetry, black hexagonal tiles from Cavallo Tile, and a dramatic dark countertop from Silestone. And here is the final rendering. Mooch loves the final product. She can't wait to eat chili for all meals with no breaks in this new kitchen. Keep following along as she embarks on more design adventures from Cederberg Kitchens.